guys, it's January, and January is always the month to set new goals, right? I mean, we do it every year. We have goals to grow our business. We have reading goals. We want to volunteer more this year. We want to give more. I have vacation goals this year, but the really big one for both Mike and I is better health and fitness goals.
You know, obviously in January, it's just so easy. If you do goals, you take a big stake, you stick it in the ground and say, this is my big goal. Like for us, for example, we want to help 50 families this year buy or sell a home instead of 40. I want to lose 30 pounds. It goes on and on.
Yeah, but no matter what the topic is, every time you set a goal, the next question always becomes, how in the world are we going to reach that goal?
How in the world?
I mean, what are we going to do to make it happen?
Well, part of the challenge is that our goals end up being crazy ambitious. And then we get weary in the well-doing, and we start strong, and then we sort of start slacking off. And
I think it's just because we fail to remember, or we simply underestimate the value of making small improvements every single day, and that in time, that persistence will move us toward our goal.
So we're going to tell you about this book our daughter-in-law Lillian told us about. It's called Atomic Habits. Started reading it this fall, and it starts with a story about how making a 1% improvement,
1%.
Literally just a 1% improvement, can help you reach your goals, stay motivated, and get down the road. I mean, 1% obviously is barely noticeable, but if it can help us get there and accomplish our goals without getting distracted,
right?
Hey, right? So a few months back, I started walking with a friend. Met him at the lake in our subdivision, 7 a.m., walked 2 miles every morning. I showed up. It's more than I had been doing. It was a start. Got me out of the bed, right?
It did.
It's a step forward. I feel tons better. Haven't lost any weight yet, but now I'm ready for the next step.
Yeah, so I didn't join Mike around the lake or walking in the neighborhood, but I did find a tiny grain of courage, and I joined a CrossFit gym. And so I can't even believe I'm saying that.
It's huge.
But since
CrossFit.
October, I've been going, and I've been showing up, and I've been doing the work, and it feels amazing. And I mean, no, really, I've been sore since October. No lie. It's been tough for me mentally and physically. I'm working through a lot, to tell you the truth, but it's a baby step. It's a step toward my health and fitness goals, and I am feeling great about that.
So as we mentioned, the book Atomic Habits is what we're reading. A 1% improvement can make an astounding difference over time. That's the path we're going. That's the journey we're on now.
So this year, the Keil team, we're going to be vulnerable and invite you on our health and fitness journey.
How vulnerable do we got to be? I mean, like...
We're just...
Like...
I don't know, man. I'm a little nervous about doing this.
I don't have to show my underwear drawer, right?
Oh, for heaven's sakes, no.
Okay, good.
No, but we're going to take you on this journey. We're going to do multiple episodes this year and share with you what it's looking like, our 1%, what it's looking like. And
we hope it inspires you for your own journey, right?
Absolutely. And so we got to end with this. If you know anybody who's even thinking about buying or selling a home.
Even thinking. Somebody
even
said,
thinking about
hey,
it.
I had a thought about a house.
All right. Please connect them to us. We really would love to meet them. And in the meantime, we are Mike and Tina Keil, and this is our show about enjoying life
at home. We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.